Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of animals, a rabbit, a deer, a squirrel, and a tortoise. They were all good friends. One day, a strong gust of wind blew through the forest, causing the animals to worry about their safety. The rabbit suggested, "Let's stick together and build a shelter using our combined strength. Together, we can withstand any storm." The other animals agreed and started gathering materials. The deer used its antlers to cut down sturdy branches, the squirrel collected leaves and vines, and the tortoise crawled around, bringing small rocks. They worked tirelessly, each contributing their unique skills. Finally, after hours of hard work, they completed the shelter. When individuals come together as a united force, they become strong enough to face any challenge. Just like the animals in the story, we, too, can accomplish great things when we stand united.